Holy crap.
Where's my Hoover? You ever seen Lion King?
No!
The thing was certified all.
Okay, we made it to the airport. We're gonna go get something to eat because it's way after lunchtime and we're starving. And we still have like 2 hours.
It's not that much after lunchtime. In Las Vegas, it's only 11:30.
So he's trying to acclimate to Las Vegas time.
Yeah, we have to acclimate.
We have lost the father.
Already.
You found him?
Yeah. He's just hiding behind a pole.
Oh.
You can't see him. He's right behind that pole.
Can you already tell how this trip is gonna be?
He thought he wandered off. That's why I wanted to get him like a child tracker.
The tile, put the tile on him.
Yeah.
How come I can get it on, but I can't get it off?
We made it.
Plane dropped us off at the casino.
Yeah, I'm like, sorry. We're landing an hour early and look where we are. What? We have finally, after what felt like miles and miles of walking, have made it to our hotel room. We are staying at Bally's. First impression, a little confusing. Didn't know where to check in, but now that we're here, they were super helpful, and our room is pretty cool. Let me show you. Here's a closet. Hi. This is the bathroom. Look at this thing. All right, then we come into here, and then you got bed, another bed, TV, desk, little lounge area that I separated. And then these two are looking at the view, which you got the Ferris wheel. Look at this, Caesar's Palace. You can see the fountain show going right there. That's really cool.
Bellagio.
Yeah, that's at the Bellagio fountain show.
I thought it was called the Bellagio.
We are gonna go to Wahlburgers now, which is right down there. It'd probably take way longer to get there because we gotta go out. I don't even know what door to go out of. We got fried chicken. Oh, burgers! No, I didn't. I'm trying to get into the habit of recording Bonnie more. So the in-laws are hilarious. We're gonna have fun with that.
He's trying to pop wheelies in his wheelchair.
Looks like he was just pulled over. What's? Oh my god, what is happening?
Having him walk backwards towards them with his hands on his head.
So one thing I've come to really like in hotels are refrigerators and microwaves, and ours doesn't have one, so Operation Ice Bucket to keep our water cold is happening.
Is this the ice bucket challenge?
No, not at all. That was hard.
It's kind of a challenge. This is hard.
Anyways, we just saw a police scene. Yeah. Not really sure what that was about. Pretty wild on our first night here. I'm gonna find it later. We are settled, going to bed, wake up whenever we wake up. See what tomorrow brings. The only thing on the agenda is Cirque du Soleil, and that's at 7 p.m. Other than that, we don't really have too many plans. All right, see you tomorrow.
Tough to get out of bed sometimes in the morning.
Every morning.
Alright. That was awesome. You like talking to Elvis? Yeah. Oh, that was good. That was cool.
We just shared an elevator with Elvis.
Yeah. Hey. This elevator stinks.
A lot of the elevators stink. One thing I'm learning that it's very loud everywhere.
Yeah.
But we're at Treasure Island.
What would you expect?
I know. We're at Treasure Island and we just picked up our Cirque du Soleil tickets. And this is a very cool hotel. Look at it. Got this cool boat. We are heading back to the in-laws. Not right now, we have somewhere to be. That happens a lot too here. Anyways, we're heading back to the in-laws. We left them at the Venetian because they didn't want to walk all the way over here. My favorite place. Maybe over there. Alright, so Bruce opens up the doors with his wheelchair cane. Wow. Alright, we came into Paris, but Blackjack isn't open. Got Michael Jackson though. So we're just gonna go back to our hotel because he and
Blackjack.
Yeah, wants to play blackjack. Espresso Limon Facial, Champagne. Those are cool names. I feel like I want one of those. Back in the hotel room and getting ready for our show tonight. We're seeing Cirque du Soleil, and this is the outfit I'm wearing. Same pants. Might change the shoes, but I just put on like an off-shoulder shirt. I thought it was really cute. The crew's ready. Everybody ready?
Everybody's ready.
Everybody
All
ready.
one.
Gonna go to get some dinner. We made a reservation at Buddy's. What's it called?
I don't know.
Are you
It's all buddies.
What is
Buddy V.
Well, okay, so Buddy the cake boss. Are you? I feel like you're doing.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Can you walk next to me?
I am.
Okay, I'm gonna do this later because crap. So I think I like this part of the strip so much better than where we are because it's culture. Like right now we're at, I don't know, it's near it's like the Little Italy area and the buildings are just, oh, the Palazzo. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh yeah.
What is the time difference? Las Vegas to Boston.
I thought it was 2 hours. So this whole
I'm
week.
saying it's 3 and we're betting right now. Whoever wins gets a milkshake.
No, I mean you're probably right. But the whole time, okay, world clock, add. Can you see it?
Yep.
Las Vegas. Wait. Oh, home, 8. It was there the whole time. Yeah, it's clearly that. Ooh, look at that. Thanks.
Look how that mixes. It looks like Mickey Mouse.
In Honolulu, it's 3:04 p.m. Just so you know. I love Italian food. They just came and put this warm piece of bread on my plate.
Oh, salmon vinegar.
Set it up a timer. Oh my. I turn around, there's another piece of bread on my plate. You need that, huh? It's so loud. I did.
You've seen him on TV. Night only. For tickets.
Your turn.
No, you just made your dad walk down these stairs.
There's no other way.
There's an elevator?
I forgot. Should I go carry him?
Dad, that one's for you.
Winner. Hit. Okay.
Cirque du Soleil.
Yes.
Where are we? Treasure Island.
Yep.
This looks awesome.
It's pretty good. Tell him what I just won.
What did you win? I forgot.
I won $10.
Tell him.
I won $10.
Okay, no, look.
Roulette.
Okay. Me and Bonnie
In the end.
went to the bathroom before coming here, but I thought they were following us because we were gonna go next to this area. I looked back and they're gone, and I walked down and they're at a roulette table. But you won $10.
I won $10.
So that's fine.
I'm balling in $5 chips.
I totally got that.
That was funny.
Ending day 2 with a Snickers bar. I was too busy eating it to show it you wrapped. I'm delirious at this point. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna eat this ice cream, and then tomorrow morning we're probably gonna go to breakfast downstairs at that place. I kind of want to do that. See you tomorrow.
I've had a cheese Danish before, so she's trying one.
First of all, good morning and welcome to day 3 of Las Vegas vlog. I've never had this, so I'm gonna try it. I'm not happy. It's not terrible. I don't think I like it.
I don't know why she would be terrified. It's delicious. It's cheese Danish. She's never had one. That's insane to me.
Oh my god. That's a sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant. Today's really, really bright out, so we went and got sunglasses. What do you think? You got sunglasses too.
Heck yeah, dude.
Looking
I
pretty
make them look good, too.
Hey, ABC? Any Hawaii travelers out there? Alright, AB store has Hawaiian chocolates. You know, we're all about that.
These.
Chocolate macadamias. Jackpot, found them. I don't remember the caramel ones. I remember those ones. Okay, we stopped into a gift shop and there's this flip book maker kit thing.
Flip book.
Yeah, the one I was trying to show you.
Book flipping. Yeah, but look at the ceiling.
I know, look at the ceiling.
Oh, how'd you get here so fast?
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Holy, that looks so good. I've been wanting deep dish pizza for so long, so I'm like super excited, so I'm gonna eat that. There's a casino in here.
Oh, isn't there one everywhere?
The building is a casino.
What do you think? Do that.
We're inside the Stratosphere, got our tickets, had to go through security. It was worse than, I feel like, the airport. We're up in the sky now, and this is insane.
Yeah.
right over there, that is the Las Vegas Boulevard.
I was telling her I'm too scared to go even closer to look out the window. I was waiting for y'all to do it.
Yeah, they're like a
I'm like, what happened? What
So
happened?
we're up in the stratosphere and guy just jumps. He jumped to his death. Oh my lord.
Jump on that one. Good, right?
Okay, we spent some time up here now, and it's turned dark. I have no idea if you can see it behind me because I'm using a camera with a flip screen thing, but it's dark and it's beautiful.
What are you doing? I haven't tripped on that.
I'm just
What are you doing?
time lapse. Alright, stratosphere, check. We made it to Fremont Street, which is the old Vegas. You're not supposed to do that, it's in the contract.
I can't read a contract.
Nick, if you break that, we own that.
I can do it.
No, he has too much energy.
Where's my Uber?
Back at the hotel. I'm still wearing the same thing. Did I ever show you, George?
Yeah,
I
why
was
would
wearing?
you take that off?
I was gonna change because it was
Day's not
supposed to
over.
be cooler. Remember that Mickey tank top I got? That looked weird because it has like a weird cut off right here. I decided if I wear it with a cardigan thing, it looks pretty nice. And of course I'm carrying this guy because I'm on vacation and I need to take pictures. That's like the Mary Poppins bag. I feel like it fits a lot.
No, it won't fit an umbrella.
Yeah, I have an umbrella, it would fit it.
You put an umbrella in this?
Yeah. We are at Ghirardelli's. That's mine though.
What's yours?
That.
I don't know where I went. In.
Slow.
Oh, my hands.
That looks so good. Oh my god. That's basically what I eat at home. I have, except it's frozen yogurt with mini chocolate chips. There is a show happening, but I don't think there is. It's very loud in this city. Okay, I'm awkwardly in the bathroom. Everyone's pretty much sleeping except for Nick, obviously. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, and welcome to day 4 of our Las Vegas vacation.
Hoover Dam! Did I say that too early?
You did. It's okay. We're at the Hoover Dam now.
It's like a goddamn.
You're like. This over here is Nevada, and that is Arizona. We were just standing in both of the states, which is pretty cool. Oh, Bonnie and Bruce. They were like, you're taking too long taking pictures, so I'm just gonna go. This is really cool though. Yeah, it's a nice day out. Kind of bright, but it's cool. leaning.
So they're not straight up.
Exactly. They're not straight up. So we officially left the Hoover Dam area. We saw this little Memorial Bridge Parkway. So we can go up to that bridge that you saw when I took like 1,000 pictures of and filmed a bunch. And Nick and I are going to make our way up there. Really insane. I can't believe we're on this bridge right now. This is a pretty epic bridge.
I have weatherwoman Marissa Caroline here, gonna tell you all about the states.
Over here you have Nevada, and over here you have Arizona.
All right, now we gotta go walk back to the old people. What's the next stop?
Then we're going to the Valley of Fire.
Valley of Fire. I keep on calling it Field of Fire because my old band had a song called Field of Fire. We're changing the song name.
Well, it looks really cool because I wanted to go to Antelope Canyon, but we can't go there because it's the time zone. It's just not gonna work. But
It is what it is.
But
Or it isn't.
Valley of Fire still has kind of cool red clay things, so it'd be kind of cool.
Sorry for the
yeah,
wind.
we still haven't gotten a windscreen. It is kind of windy up here.
Throw her off the cliff.
Yeah, we gotta go. Cops are coming. Okay. Such a pain in the butt. I had to just toss her off. She gone. We don't have to worry about her. No, you don't. Let's just go before they come and find me.
You see the goats up there?
Goats? What?
Goats.
Why would goats be up there?
They're up there.
You survived the fall.
Shouldn't have done that after we ate.
You never heard of Lake Mead?
Never heard of Lake Mead. So much easier to breathe here than in the Vegas casinos.
That's true.
You can't go left. Is this guy gonna go left? Holy crap.
We're at a traffic circle. We have plenty of those where we are, but this guy has no clue what he's doing.
That was freaking scary.
Turned out to be a beautiful day.
Turned out for what?
A beautiful day.
Oh, okay.
Turn down what?
I like pushing him in a wheelchair. I think that's fun. Cue the wheelchair montage.
Holy crap. God, I would love to cook out here. Sorry.
I want your voice in my Instagram video.
You look so epic on this though.
Do I?
Yeah, because of like
Let me...
the view.
Work it. Work it, girl.
Spin, eh?
Oh, yeah. Back up. It wasn't recording.
Stop, you do that every time. Is that still recording?
Yeah. Tell the camera what you call these palm trees?
I call them palm nuggets because they're like little round balls
Nugget
and palms.
It's like a chicken is the chicken and then a nugget is a chicken nugget.
But you look pretty cool. Ready, set, go. Oh shit.
Yeah, throw it up. I can't reach that. Like a frisbee.
What if I get it in this crevice?
Don't.
Over here.
Not gonna happen. I'm going without a hat today. She's trying to climb up a mountain. Just 1 foot at a time. So she just shot me, now it's my turn to shoot her.
Hi. Hurry, car. Car.
What? There's no one around. Oh, shut your mouth, GPS.
Tip coming through Valley Fire.
Keep
there
driving.
are, well yeah, keep on driving through, but there's also grills and benches everywhere. So if you wanted to picnic here, you totally could. Fill up a cooler.
up on the
Yeah,
then-
with hot dogs, burgers,
Yeah.
bring charcoal,
Yeah.
lighter fluid, good to go.
Wait, can we just set up like and sit down on this, maybe? Please?
Fine.
I'm having a really hard time with pictures, like body self-love issues. Okay, let's try again.
I self-love you.
Thank you for self-loving me. Nick's trying to get this picture of, we're calling it Pride Rock, and he just like, I gotta get closer, jumps out of the car, and he's like running through the valley. There he is.
You ever seen Lion King?
Did you get the
No! It's fun.
Did you get the shot?
Yeah.
Is there a car coming? No.
Nope.
Alright. I hear one.
They're way back.
Yeah, they're coming. But they're way back there.
Yeah.
Two of them.
It's gonna take them a minute. Drive around me. You in the middle too?
Here we go.
Smile at
Smile.
the camera.
Very good.
Let's grab it.
Go check. There. You'll have time to do one more. Just do it.
Jesus.
They're coming!
A whole slew
Okay,
of
everyone
them.
laugh and look at each other.
Okay. Everybody back to the car.
Run! We done it. Look at this road though.
I know.
You want a commentary and say what we got?
I do. Here, let's go over here. What?
Make an album out of it.
What do you think of this road?
Oh, I love it.
I love it. Okay, we're just driving home, but look, you can, this road is as far as you can see, and it's just a straight line, so we thought it'd be pretty cool to get out and take up family pictures. And now there's like 500 cars coming.
That was good timing.
That was. I'm out of breath from doing that.
You two are certified also.
And out of breath.
Oh my god, I'm drooling. It's going
This road
backwards.
goes on forever. Is there any civilization anywhere?
I know, it's
that
a
was
long
cool.
road.
No. Is that buildings over there? Or is that, what is it?
Oh, I like those. That's cool. Oh. What? Look at that. That's awesome. Holy.
Keep going.
Here, let me, ready? Ready? That was good. That's a cool spot. This is the perfect photo of the relationship.
To describe them?
Yeah. We just visited the Las Vegas sign. It's dark. We want to do it more when it's brighter out. I think we can get better pictures with it. But it was really cool to see it when it was dark, I think. What do you think? It's just running.
That was the most exhausting time lapse. What? What's wrong? What happened to my chair? That was awkward.
Giordinos? I don't know how to say it. Giordinos? Oh my god. That right there is lasagna with Alfredo sauce on it. Kinda wish I got that. I got spaghetti and meatballs, and we're about to dig in.
Where in Florida?
I was like, how's your dessert?
It came at the same time as me. I didn't have a chance to eat it. What are you thinking?
That I'm full. Oh my god.
It slipped.
Take it. Just carrying a bag. Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of our Las Vegas vacation. We have already eaten breakfast and we're in Harrah's right now. Just waiting for the box office to open so we can pick up our tickets to take place tonight because today is our date day.
What?
Okay, Nick, there's people. Can you please come?
Sandy's in Las Vegas right now. He's like a living legend.
Right here.
He's right there. What kind of food do you want for dinner?
I don't know.
If you could have any type of food, regardless of where it is, what would it be?
Eiffel Tower?
That's not a type of, you don't eat an Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, but that's where I would want to go.
How bad do you want to go there?
I mean a lot, but it's way too expensive.
Would you love me if I already made a reservation for the Eiffel Tower?
You didn't, huh?
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, I'm not sure anymore.
Hold this.
Babe, you did not.
I did.
That's
Why do you like the Eiffel Tower so much?
It was the best food I've ever had in my entire life.
What was it? What'd you get?
The lobster,
And I got New York sirloin, I think.
yeah, it was so good. Did you really, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. What up?
You got attitude. You got an attitude, bro. Yeah, take that butt out.
Oh my god. Do you want to kiss him again? There you go. Perfect. This is my guy.
We're in Vegas. We decided to go mini golfing with, I don't know, whoever that is. And what do you think about that?
Love you, Miley. Snoop Dogg. No, we don't know. He has my glasses on.
It's Bradley Booper.
Oh my god, do you want me to buckle you up in the bed? You're so pretty. Stand there.
lot in Vegas. Steal a cop car. Breaker, breaker, 19. Freeze or I'll shoot!
Probably the only time I'm not gonna have with Nick. Just want to say, love you, babe. Thanks so much for taking me back to Eiffel Tower restaurant. I'm so excited to get ready and go and eat the best food I've ever had. Love you.
This food was amazing. I think we did pretty good. It's also very awkward to vlog in here because it's really fancy. He was like, I feel like we need to vlog more. I want to remember this.
I want to remember that steak. Have you ever before?
Yes, I do. Never tried
So,
it.
what do you think?
That was amazing, as always. We just saw Tape Face, and I really wish that we could have filmed in there because this
Why?
one got picked to go up on stage and he did so good.
What
so
did I
funny.
do? Did I make out?
He did.
Rub?
Just
With
like
Tape Face?
He really did though, just like that. It was hilarious. It was really funny.
Anyone watching this should go see Tape Face if you're in Las Vegas.
Yeah, he's at Harrah's or Harrah's, however you say it. And he has his own little theater.
That
so
was one of the best comedy shows that we've ever been to.
which is saying a lot because he's really into comedy. So
He's like a mime. He doesn't say anything at all.
we also just did the Fly Link Skyline, the zip line that goes along the promenade, because I thought that if I put a GoPro in my hand, I could film it for you guys, but they made us put everything we had into a bag. We got photos, show you those when we get back to the hotel also.
Explain how you felt before doing it.
Okay, so I'm a big baby, and I always feel like I'm gonna like myself, like almost gonna get off, but I was like, you know, I'll just do it. And it was scary at first, but honestly it was fine to see everything below. It looked really, really cool. Like I really wish I could have filmed that for you, but after that I feel like I would do it again because it was a lot of fun. Were you feeling really tired before? You're still kind of feeling tired?
I'm always tired. I feel like I have a permanent jet lag.
Maybe you need to get your thyroid checked.
My thighs feel okay.
Are we in Italy or in Las Vegas?
We took a flight to Italy. And now we're in Italy. Can I get a cannoli and a meatball? Not together. Unless you want.
We just got out of the Venetian and we did the gondolas.
You mean we went to Italy and now we just flew back to Las Vegas?
Mon Dieu, les ramène vers toi. Mon Dieu, les ramène en séjour.
Can I touch your head?
Alright, before we end the night, we wanted to come to Caesar's Palace to show you it a little bit.
Is this the real Caesar's Palace? I didn't think so.
show you the pictures we got from what we did today. Hey everyone, welcome to day 6 of Las Vegas. We have packed up and we're getting ready to check out.
And how was your vacation?
This elevator just was about to fall and Nick goes, vlog it. I'm like, our death? You want to vlog our death? Guys, this is the nicest elevator we've been in.
It smells good.
Wow.
It's, yeah.
Yeah, this first smells good.
Prepared. This is nice. We're in New York and we're on the Brooklyn Bridge. We're about to go to MGM Grand now, and apparently this is a smoke-free casino, which is amazing, and I can't wait to get in and smell it. And yes, all week we've been smelling casinos.
What are we doing?
Going home.
We're going home. It's okay. Except for the cold.
Yeah. We're going home to -degree weather.
We just boarded first on the airplane. First people to board. Dude, that was amazing.
To do that more often.
Yeah, man. We gonna take them with us.
Captain's like Cobot is gas Callum the third Esquire. And once you get wheels up by the time it's rough like day and it's bigger right hand turn on the way out of here.
The rest is also be inflated by going to the tube located at shoulder level.
Is she a mime? She wasn't talking.
As you can see, we have landed and we have gotten our luggage and we have gotten our car and now we are home.
Whoa, look at that one kid's hair. He looks like Bert. See him? Look like a banana. Kids these days with their haircuts.
11 degrees. We're home. Hi.
Oh, she's purring so
Come
loud.
here. We always come home, don't we? Hey guys, it is actually the same day as the vlog is coming out. I just forgot to end the Las Vegas vlog, so here I am ending it. Thanks so much for watching. We had so much fun putting this together. And I had a question. Do you guys like the movie format or do you guys prefer the episodes, like the day-to-day episodes that we did for Disney and for the New York vlogs? Just leave a comment below, let us know, because I don't know how to go about our next travel vlog that's coming out in a few months. Should I make a movie or should I make the episode? So let us know so I can take that into consideration for the next time. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. The more subscribers we get, the closer to living the reality of traveling and documenting it. It gets so much closer. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Follow me over on social media. I update there constantly. And I guess until the next one, we'll see you then.